Samsung refrigerator flashing error code 33E. We have been doing a remodel in kitchen. The refrigerator has been moved several times. It normally would reset, the last time it did not, it started flashing the error code. What do you suggest?
Hello, is everything working normally? Making ice cooling well, anything at all you have noticed not working as it should? Thanks.
Yes, so far the unit seems to be working okay. I have a Samsung refrigerator, stainless steel. It has several dents/dings. It really bothers my wife a lot. I have tried the hairdryer, dry-ice method with no luck. Any other suggestions? A lot of sites say if this doesn't work, call a professional. If I have to do this, what would you look under to find one? Do you have any other suggestions? The other expert said I would have to replace door. This is not an option I want to do. Are there professionals who remove dents? See question above. Thanks.
For the error you can clear it. I am sure it is a glitch this time. I noticed you were told already it was a non-existent error, which is not true. That error does exist and belongs to the water fill tube heater for the ice maker. I believe the moving it around caused it. If you want to check it, you can take out the ice maker, check the water fill tube that fills the ice maker, and you will see some wire around that tube. That is the water fill tube heater. To clear, press and hold for about 8 seconds the energy saver and lighting keys at the same time. That will get your display back to normal. As for the second question, the answer is no, the only repair is replacement. I know you have probably seen the old heat and freeze method. That had to have originated in a body shop because that is how you shrink metal. Have you heated metal before? It turns bright blue and it does not go away. On top of that, if you were to get the dents out, let's just say you did. The insulation, which is foam inside that door, will be annihilated. You would have a door skin there with all of the insulation melted to the bottom of the door, sweating water all day long. No, it will not work, nor will it look nice. That will take care of it.
I pulled the ice maker out, didn't really notice anything. It appeared it was starting to make ice again. I then pushed the energy saver and lighting keys and it reset. So far, it appears to be working fine. Thank you very much. Offhand, do you have a ballpark estimate of what replacement doors would cost? Do they have a skin replacement or is the whole door? Thanks again.
They come as a whole door minus the hardware and dispenser components that mount on the outside. I suspect the moving of the refrigerator probably caused a false error. The left door at Sears online is $254.99 plus shipping. The right door is $138.27 at Sears online. I can tell you from experience, expect to ship them back. You may not need to, but expect it. Many times I have received a door from any shipping company that did have a dent in it somewhere when I got it and had to send it back. Many times it has happened to me. Thanks. The left door at Sears online is $254.99 plus shipping. The right door is $138.27 at Sears online. I can tell you from experience, expect to ship them back. You may not need to, but expect it. Many times I have received a door from any shipping company that did have a dent in it somewhere when I got it and had to send it back. Many times it has happened to me. Thanks, Barry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.